So I've got this laser hair removal device. So it has advanced IPL 4.0 technology. It goes up to 180 times per minute, that laser. And then it has 9 intensity levels. And so it can be used for your face, armpit, for your legs, for your back. And yeah, let's unbox it, check it out, and see how it works. Oil first. It's good. It can be as a gift as well. VIP registration card. The steps that we need to do. Need to be cautious for this. And then we have also some frequently asked questions, some skin colors that it will work on, and some hair colors as well. Yeah, let's check it out. Then we have here the user manual, quick start guide here. You need to wear some glasses as well. This is the actual laser. You can see here. Let's check this side here. We've got something to clean the area first. Then we've got some glasses for protection. This to clean the light, and the charger to use with the laser. As you see, this is like mostly used by women, but this is unisex. It can be used by men as well. It's not specifically made for women, but these instructions are like this because mostly women used it. But now I'll show you how a man will use one of these. So I'll be using it on my bicep because there's another area where I don't think we actually need the hair there, but yeah. So I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so now let's plug this one in and test it out. So you got to plug in your wall socket, this one, and then you just plug it here. You can hear a beep. Then you can see on the display it's off. You'll have to use these glasses because the intensity of the laser is not very good for eyes, and also never look where the laser is, like never ever, because you'll have problem with your eyes. That's why you have these glasses as well. These are more like lady glasses, but I'm gonna wear them anyway because I don't want my eyes to be hurt. So then we press this button on the back, which turns it on, and you can hear a fan as well to cool down the laser. And then you can see these cool lights on the sides. There's the display right here. Also, as I've seen, this light acts as a skin indicator as well. And as you can see, if I will press now, nothing will happen because it didn't sense any skin. And you can see it flashes when it senses the skin. So this is a skin indicator as well. And if you want to change the modes, because it has 3 modes, HR, SR and HR plus, you will have to press the trigger button and also the power button at the same time. So there we go. Now we are in the SR mode, and then again HR plus, and then back to HR. And then if you press once, you change the intensity level of the laser, and you can go up to 9, as you can see right there. And before you use this one, you'll have to use a big something to shave your hair if your hair is quite big. And I'm gonna take this hair from my biceps here, so I'll first use this. So I'll just start by just shaving this off. Do it until you get rid of the big hairs from the area you want to put the laser on, and then put back the glasses. Never forget the glasses, that's the safety here. Then you turn it on, and I'm gonna go at level 4, and I'm gonna go with HR, sensing the skin, and there we go. Try not to look that way because the light is very powerful. And that's it. When you're done, you just turn it off. Another thing you should know about this, in HR mode, you should not use the laser on the same area more than 3 times, because doing so it might hurt your skin. Same on the HR plus, and on the SR mode, you shouldn't do it for more than 10 times. So it says in the manual you should start to use it 3 times a week for about 1 to 3 weeks. And then in between 4 to 6 weeks, you should use like every week, and then maintenance every 6 weeks. What I've also wanted to say is that it also has an automatic mode, which you can set the trigger button. If you long press it, it's gonna go in auto mode, if you can see right there. And this is basically, when you touch the skin, it will just start doing it. So I suggest you read the user manual before you use this one, so as to be careful and not get hurt.